Hey everyone, it's Ashley, and in this video I'm going to be doing a tutorial and a mini review of the Too Faced Chocolate Bonbons palette. I'm not going to do a super long review since this is a pretty old palette. I got mine at TJ Maxx on sale, and this is the outer packaging, super cute with all these hearts. This palette smells amazing, I absolutely love it, it smells super sweet, and here are all the shades. I think the heart-shaped pans are very cute, and colors are very nice. There's a lot of neutral tones, a couple pinks, a blue, and a purple. I think it's got a good range of colors. They are mostly cool tone, but that is what I like. So far, I've enjoyed this palette. I do wish there was another darker matte shade because this is the only matte that is darker, and I kind of wish there was a darker gray or something else to use. But this palette is pretty good, and I'll get into some quick swatches and then a tutorial. Starting with swatches, I'll start with the top row going from left to right. A little bit chunky, but you can still blend it. This last shade has a little bit of glitter in it. It is a matte with some glitter. That is the first row. On to the second row. The last two colors in the second row. So that is the first two rows. I'm just going to swatch the last row on the back of my hand. And the last shade is a cream shade, so you probably won't be able to see it. But there it is. And that is all of the swatches. Starting the tutorial, I am using a concealer as a base. I'm going to set that with the shade Divinity. For the crease, I'm going to start by taking the shade Almond Truffle. Then, with my finger, I'm going to take the shade Cotton Candy and put that on the inner portion of the lid, and then I'm going to put Molasses Chip on the rest of the lid. Next, I'm going to take the shade Bordeaux and put that in the outer corner and crease. Next, I'm just going to blend. You will probably want to reapply the shimmers because they usually kind of go away when you blend. For the inner corner highlight, I'm going to take the shade Satin Sheets. For the lower lash line, I'm going to use the shade Bordeaux. And the last step is to apply mascara. So this is the finished look. Overall, I really enjoy this palette. It is cool tone, so I know it's not a lot of people's favorites. And I do like that there's pops of color. Like, I like how this pink looks with the bronzy shade. And I know I did another bronze look and I put the purple on the lower lash line, and I really like that as well. I would recommend this palette, although it's not as pigmented as some other cooler tone palettes, but it's still a decent quality, especially when you can get it on sale at TJ Maxx. So I definitely recommend doing that if you like the colors in the palette. But anyways, that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!